you already have an existing hosting account and you want to purchase a domain name from another hosting. Take for instance, you want to purchase a domain name from Ashura Hosting, while your hosting account is directly here in Namecheap. Now, how do you now link your purchased domain name from Ashura Hosting to your existing hosting account? Tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can link your new domain to an existing hosting account. Now, if you don't have any idea, don't worry. At the end of this tutorial, you should be able to link your new purchase domain to an existing hosting account. So now let's go straight to the point. This is Ashura Hosting. I want to get a new domain name from here, and once I'm done purchasing it, I'm going to link it to my existing hosting account. I'm going to list it to my existing hosting account in Namecheap. So I'll just head to my Ashura Hosting and go straight to my dashboard. Then I'll just click on domain name and I'm going to register a new domain. Now from here, I'll just put the domain name I want to buy and I'll search if it is available. Then if it is available, I am just going to hit the continue and go to checkout. So my domain is available. So I'm just going to check out. Then once I check out, I need this and I need ID protection. ID protection is to protect my name so that when they check the host details, my name will not show. Now from here, this is the most important place. You need to set your name server. Now if you are using the same hosting from this server, so you need to put the name server here. But if you are using an external hosting, you need to put the server here. So I'm going to use the same server that I bought with this new hosting. So I'm going to fix my server. Let me explain myself. If you are using an external hosting account, this is where you put the server here. But if you are using the same hosting account with where you bought your domain name, you just replace it like this. So once you are done, you want to hit continue. Now you make sure you fill all the information to make sure that your files are correct and how you can make your payment. So I already have my money deposited inside. So I'm just going to click apply there and I'm going to click on checkout to purchase my domain. Then once I purchase my domain, step one is over. Step two now is how do you now link your new domain to an existing hosting account? Remember, I purchased only domain. I didn't purchase a hosting account. If you check, I just purchased only domain. I didn't purchase a hosting account. Now, if I should check my domain, you see that the domain I purchased is there. This is the domain I just purchased now. As you can see, I don't have a hosting account yet, and my domain is active. So the next step now is how you can, link your domain name to an existing hosting account. So I'm just going to log into my cPanel and I'll just go straight to the point. So the next step is for you to, link your purchased domain name to your existing hosting account. So you want to scroll down to where you see domain. You want to scroll down to where you see domain. So from this place, you have to create this, click on create a new domain, then paste the name of that domain you just bought, just like this. Just paste it there and untick this share. Untick this share. So once you are done, click on submit. So as you can see, I've successfully created this. So I'm just going to wait for some few time, then allow the XSL to be active. As you can see, our XSL is active now. So for you to check, just copy your URL, just go to a next browser and check if your XSL is active. As you can see, our XSL is active and this is the domain we just installed. Remember, I didn't purchase a hosting account for this domain. Rather, I used it on my, I added it as an add-on on my existing hosting account. So this is how you can create an add-on domain. Remember, this is not a subdomain, but is an add-on domain. So if you find value in this video, I want you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that when I release next video, you'll be the first person to receive